If you are a dropshipper looking for winning products to sell, I'm going to give you 10 options to choose from. We have seasonal products, products you can brand and sell, as well as some trending products. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now let's get into the video. Okay, the first product is a seasonal one. It's this felt Christmas tree. This is a great product for parents with young kids or grandparents that want this for their grandkids. It allows children to decorate and undecorate the tree however they want. No glass bulbs or breakables. It makes for a fun activity that can be used over and over again. One thing to keep in mind with seasonal products is shipping time. If a person is ordering this, they obviously want it before Christmas, so make sure to check out different suppliers and see who can give you the fastest shipping to ensure you have happy repeat customers. This is currently on sale for $6.88 on AliExpress, with shipping taking roughly a month. On Alibaba, you can get it for as low as $3 a piece, but it does require a minimum order of 500 pieces. By the way, Alibaba currently has Super September going on. They have offers like products up to 40% off and $20 off of shipping to the US. At the time of this recording, you will still have some time if you want to take advantage of the deals. The offers are valid until September 30th. I'll leave a link in our description box to this page where you can read all about it. Next up is this macro lens. This lens attaches to certain lenses to make them zoom in and give you that macro look. Now, macro lenses are typically hundreds of dollars, so I can definitely see the appeal here. If you're a photographer that's just starting out and isn't ready to buy a brand name lens, this is a great option to try. If you're comparing price tags, I think a $30 product will be chosen over one that costs hundreds, especially if they're just starting out. Another appealing thing about this product is the fact that it's small and portable, so it would take up way less room in a camera bag than a bulky full-size lens. Another target audience for this product could be store owners that want to save money by taking their own product photos. I can see this being especially useful for jewelry stores that want to show those finer details. These are selling for $4.44 on AliExpress. The shipping is free, but it's not arriving until November 23rd, and it's September 22nd today for reference, so you might want to shop around for a different supplier. Next up, we have these cloth diapers. If you're looking for a product that you can brand and sell, I think this one has a lot of potential. It's something that's going to be purchased in multiples. Parents are going to need several diaper covers and several inserts. They will also be interested in purchasing different designs and colors as they come out, so huge potential here for upsells and building a brand with them. These are selling for $1.53 per unit on Alibaba with a minimum order of 100. It has guaranteed shipping for the middle of October. And this product is part of Super September, so you can save $20 on shipping to the US if you jump on this before September 30th. AliExpress has a lot of different patterns and colors, and they also have a new user bonus, which would get you up to 99% off. 1 cent to 19 cents is pretty insane. You can make a great profit off of these. If you're wondering how I'm finding these winning products, I am using Ecom Hunt. Ecom Hunt gives you new winning products every day. They do all of the research for you. They will show you what the potential profit margins are, how many stores are currently selling them, how it's trending, all the product links, and much, much more. This is not sponsored. We personally purchased Ecom Hunt ourselves because we like it so much. So if you want to check it out, we do have an affiliate link in our description box below. Using our affiliate link won't cost you anything extra. It just lets Ecom Hunt know that we sent you, and then we may receive a commission for that referral. Alright, for our next product, we have these high-waisted corset leggings. I can see these going viral on social media. I mean, leggings are popular, waist trainers are popular, and crop tops are popular, which these could be worn with, so this definitely checks all the boxes. You can see that these are currently trending, and 33 stores have seen the potential in these and have added them to their stores. There's a flash deal on these right now that will unfortunately be finished by the time I post this video, so I'm going to go ahead and post this to our TikTok account today so that people can get in on the savings. If you happen to be on TikTok, come say hello. You can find us at Ecom Geeks. On Alibaba, there's a Super September deal for these. You can save $20 on shipping to the US, and there's also a 20% off discount that will be offered for the next week, plus an additional $10 off an order of $300 or more. Our next product is this self-tightening measuring tape. This is super useful not only for people tracking their fitness goals, but also for seamstresses and retail stores. This product stands out to me because it solves a problem with your standard measuring tapes, and that is that it self-tightens to give you a more accurate read because you don't have your fingers twisted under or around it while you're trying to hold the other end. New Year's is coming, and with that, people are usually making fitness goals, so getting your order in now and having these ready ahead of time is great. Here it is on Alibaba. You can see that all in, it's only $71.33. That's going to get you 50 pieces in total and a guaranteed delivery date of October 19th. Next up, we have another seasonal product. And if you're wondering why I'm showing you Christmas items now, it's because shipping can take several weeks. So why boxes? Lots of possibilities with this, and with the new user bonus, you can get 3 boxes for as low as a penny. So here are my thoughts. One option is you could either list them on your website and drop ship them, or you could just place an order with Alibaba for several hundred and then sell them to bakeries to box their desserts, or to the average person who just plans to give baked goods at Christmas as a gift. These are not limited to baking alone. You could fill these with pet treats and toys or clothing and etc. And if you're wondering why this box specifically, it's because it's not something that I've personally seen offered in stores. When it comes to baked goods, for example, you want to be able to see what you've made. You want to appreciate the decorations. Your options are usually to go with a clear cellophane bag, which has no structure, or you can go with a Christmas tin, but the issue with that is that you can't see anything. So this box solves both of those issues by giving you the structure and the protection while still giving you that window to show off what's inside. The last Christmas item I'll show you are these ornaments. These were trending last year, and now they've added an addition at the end, so chances are this will catch on too. They've got 24 variations of this product with different numbers of people and different styles. Moving on from seasonal items, here is a pet product. It's a waterproof winter jacket with a built-in harness. There is a product to this similar on Amazon that has really good reviews, so it looks like it could be a good product to choose. The price on AliExpress starts at $9.48, which is a sale price. If you sell it for between $20 to $25, the margins aren't excellent, but I do think there is potential for an upsell by selling the leash to attach to the coat as well. If you were to brand and sell it, you can get the cost down quite a bit. There is a $20 shipping discount, and it's guaranteed to arrive by the end of October. Next up, we have this foldable cooking basket. So instead of boiling your food and then pouring it into a colander to drain, you can just lift the basket right out of the pot. They also demonstrate this for deep frying as well. It has a lot of AliExpress interest right now. There is a new user bonus for up to 99% off this product, so that would definitely help raise your profit margins. Our final product is this high pressure shower head. It has a really interesting propeller at the back and can rotate 360 degrees. It claims to give you 200% higher water pressure than an ordinary shower head, while saving you upwards of 40% on water consumption. This product has a 10% discount on Alibaba and also has a $20 shipping discount. On AliExpress, they are selling for $4.99, so there is potential for good profit margin there. In addition to this, they also sell these filters for the shower head, so this could be a great upsell. I hope this gave you some good ideas. If it did, let me know in the comments which one of these products you're considering selling. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.